The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Bosque County and Central Texas, Central Hill County and Central Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitney, or 14 miles west of Hillsboro, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Whitney and Aquila Lake around 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hillsboro around 2:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Carl's Corner around 2:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Malone, Lovelace, Mertens, Cedar Shores, Brandon, Irene, Mayfield, Abbott, Lakewood Harbor, and Woodbury. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.